and no human hands will ever touch it. Welcome to the future.
It starts with an AI health check. Only the absolute perfect hides are selected.
Every millimeter of skin is thermal scanned and verified on the blockchain.
Even their diet is robotically controlled for maximum hide durability. Once approved, they are loaded for transport.
But they aren't going to a normal facility.
They are entering the largest AI-driven factory on Earth.
Inbound weight is calculated down to the gram.
The extraction is flawless. Now, the real magic begins. Robotics sort the raw hides at lightning speed.
Lasers map out invisible defects. Nothing escapes the AI.
Autonomous bots transport the cargo to the chemical sector.
It's time to wash away the past.
Into the industrial washing vats they go.
Sensors monitor the water temperature to the exact decimal.
Then, they enter the tumbling drums.
Flushed out and perfectly softened.
Next, the AI injects a precise cocktail of enzymes,
purifying the leather down to its core fibers.
Massive mechanical rollers squeeze out every drop of excess moisture. High-pressure jets blast away any remaining organic matter.
The leather is mapped again. We need absolute symmetry. Spiked spirals aggressively smooth out the underside.
Automated circular saws instantly sever the raw edges.
Time to give this jacket its soul, the dye phase.
A flood of rich, premium brown dye is pumped into the vats. Robotic precision, never a single mistake.
Tumbling for hours until the color bleeds to the absolute core. Heavy felt rollers lock the pigment permanently into the fibers. Heated brass cylinders flatten the hide to a flawless surface. Giant vacuum umbrellas stretch the hide, eliminating every single wrinkle.
Then, they enter the endless drying corridors, a climate-controlled paradise.
High-pressure steam is reapplied to restore ultimate flexibility. A bed of steel spikes aggressively breaks the fibers, making it butter soft.
Ultraviolet tunnels instantly cure the surface finish.
A 10-ton hydraulic press slams down, stamping a flawless luxury grain. A 10-ton hydraulic press slams down. A 360-degree robotic array applies the final waterproof glaze. The AI scans the final hide, 100% perfection, period. A hidden QR code is laser burned for absolute authenticity.
The raw material is complete. Now, we build the jacket. Welcome to the vault. Thousands of perfect hides wait their turn.
When an order comes in, the exact right hide is pulled instantly. It hits the cutting floor. A green laser maps the jacket pattern in a fraction of a second. A thermal laser cuts the panels with 0mm tolerance. A swarm of robotic arms extracts the pieces simultaneously. Rotary blades bevel the edges so perfectly, they look painted. The pieces move to the assembly grid. A thermal blast presses the back panel perfectly flat. The brand's insignia is burned straight into the hide. Carbon fiber sewing machines stitch faster than a bullet. Robotics guide the intricate curves of the collar without a single stutter. Front pockets aren't just sewn, they are laser welded for absolute strength. But a luxury jacket needs an interior. We cut the silver thermal lining. A multi-needle array quilts the thermal insulation in a single pass. The outer shell and the thermal core are finally united. Automated grippers lay down a heavy-duty, solid brass zipper. Twin needles lock it into place simultaneously. A hydraulic press punches in the heavy gunmetal snaps. A flash of deep red lining is added to the collar, a signature touch. The finished jacket is folded and hit with a massive steam press to set the shape forever. Spinning wool wheels give the leather its final, blinding luxury polish. Spinning wool wheels give the leather its final, blinding luxury polish. To ensure perfection, a humanoid robot models every single piece. A final laser scan verifies the exact drape and fit of the tailoring. 4 robotic arms fold the garment with absolute precision. It is vacuum sealed to prevent any moisture contamination. And placed into its final, matte black luxury casing. Thousands of jackets built daily, without a single human footprint. The future of luxury is completely automated. Subscribe to see what AI builds next.